Welcome to DataSpace 9. Today I am going to explain about the multiple regression. In the previous class I explained the linear regression. So this multiple regression is similar to the linear regression that allows to take prediction of systems with the multiple independent variables. So in this we are using only the single dependent variable, and we are calculating and we are applying the MLR model on the data set. Okay, so we can jump into this example how we will write a program in how to apply the MLR model on the data set. So let me show you the data set. I am taking 50 startups. So this is the data set I am taking. Okay. First of all, I am writing the code in the Jupyter notebook. So I am opening a new notebook. Okay, first we need to import the libraries. Import pandas as PD, import numpy as np, import os, import matplotlib, pyplot as plb, import so just I'm executing these libraries and reading the this data set. So that's why I'm defining one variable df equal to read underscore csv and path of the file name. File name will be here. And what is the file name? These are three standards dot csv. So just I'm executing this. Sorry, pd dot read csv. Pandas pd is pandas. Yeah. Now I'm displaying only the top 5 records. First 5 records. So that's why I return a code df dot head. Okay. So this is the records. This is the data set. Then we need to first of all, so whenever we are applying the data, whenever we are reading the data, so we need to go for the steps. First, we need to read Excel is completed. Define the independent variable. We need to define the dependent and independent variables here. So x equal to df dot ilog. Y equal to df dot ilog. Okay, just triggering and x comma y. See, this is x first taken up to 4 columns and y is 6 column only I have taken as y. So that's why once the variables are declared, one we need to encode the text. Encode means here you can see in the next values you can see there is a state fourth column. You can see here you can see the field column as state and the fields is showing this text New York, California. So this text we need to encode. For that we need to import the library from sklearn dot preprocessing, import label encoder. This is a encoder. It is one type of encode method. It will encode into the 1 and 2 this format. label encoder. X. We'll take X. Which column we are encoding? This is a third column in X. This is X variable. In the third column, 0, 1, 2, 3. Third column we are encoding. So, le dot fit underscore transform X. Just trigger and X. You can see this state New York and Florida, California, all these states has converted into numeric numbers 201 like this. Again, we are encoding this column again into the 10 format, 00 format. So that we can use another encoder method is column transformer. For that, we need to import the library from sklearn.compose. Import column transformer. Okay. From sklearn.preprocessing import one hot encoder. Yeah, here one more encoder is one hot encoder. This is the main one. Okay, so first you will define cd equal to column transformer equal to state state and one hot encoder parameters. Here this is the parameters for column transformer. So that's why I'm defining variables here. Column transformer and which column we need to do. This is the third column. Okay. So this you just close the brackets here. Reminder equal to okay. So our state. This is the column transformer. Here we are passing the arguments state one hot encoder and third column we need to encode. Reminder equal to pass through. Just look at this one. Reminder equal to should be 0. I think. Reminder equal to 0. Let me check this. Let me one one hot encoder this here. Reminder equal to cost. Okay, it is right only. I forgot to mention encoder n removed. Okay, let me trigger it. Let me check the command. Let me check this. Reminder equal to pass through. Okay. Okay, so for the cd dot, again we need to write the x equal to cd dot fit underscore transform of x. Cannot terminal on SQL let me write in post column encoder. Serial column transformer state not encoder a reminder cost a it is doing errors not encoder. Maybe this coder should be small only. Let me check. See that just execute. So I forgot this encoder I have. See, I kept the cap, so that's why it was giving error. So that's why small letter I have given, and now executing this x. See this two value and one value 0, 1, 2 values are converted into 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 like this. Okay, this one conversion method has converted into the zeros, and this encoder method. Then we need to apply the test and train data. So we will define this model from sklearn.linear underscore model import sorry sklearn.model underscore selection import import train underscore test underscore speed x underscore train y x underscore test y underscore train y underscore test equal to train test underscore split x comma y test underscore size equal to size equal to 0.3 and random underscore state equal to 0. Okay, just execute this command. Then we need to apply the linear model MLR model from sklearn.linear underscore model import linear regression. So regressor equal to linear regression. I'm taking variable regressor and defining linear regressor dot with x train comma y train. Okay, so then we need to regressor dot coefficient one. So we need to calculate this is a coefficient and regressor dot intercept. This is intercept value. Now we need to this model MLR model applied and then we need to predict the data. Predict y underscore feed equal to regressor regressor dot regressor dot predict y underscore y underscore predict. Y underscore test and y underscore train. Sorry, we need to predict the data using the x underscore text data. So that's why I need to take x underscore text. Then we need to check the y underscore pred value and y underscore text. This is the y pred values and this is the y test predict values. And then we need to import the score R2 score. Get the value of R2 score. That we need to import the from my scale dot matrix import R2 underscore score R2 underscore score y underscore text and y underscore read. So we need to get the value of 0.935. This is the value for the R2 square score value for y test and y pred. Then once R2 square value is generated and we need to apply the stat models import stats models dot API as SM. For this is used to add the one column to the table. We need to add the column to the table. This is the function we are using. We need to import this library. For that extrain equal to np dot append. Okay, array equal to x underscore train and values equal to np dot ones 35 comma and 35 comma 1. 35 is the length of the extrain value. So that's why we 35 rows and one column we are adding, and this np dot 1 and 35 comma 1. This is dot as type equal to integer and the axis equal to 1. 1 is the column we are adding. Fit. Okay, so explain equal to np dot append. We are appending one column to the explain table. So that's why np dot append array we are taking explain values of np dot one value we are passing, and in the 35 rows length of the explain and one column as type integer we are passing access equal to we are adding one column here. Okay, now we can see the explain value it one column has added. Okay, now we added then we are need to convert this extend for extend equal to np of array of np of array underscore prime d type equal to 4. So like this we can convert this white line also. If we are not converting this into the float, we will get a error saying we are unable to convert this thing. So that's why I am converting into the y underscore prime and kept the y underscore prime here, and the data type is float. Then execute prime y underscore prime. See, this is a conversion for float variables. Then we need to convert the total and then generate the report here. For that report, we are using OLS underscore x underscore x. This is a variable I'm taking. Sem dot sem dot sem dot OLS end of equal to y underscore prime and x of equal to x underscore prime. Okay, dot it. So then we need to use the report we will get here ls underscore x dot summary. You can see this is the 0 point r adjustment square is 0.943 r square 0.942 So this is the data representation of MLR model. By applying the MLR model in the data set, we will get this summary, coefficient, standard error, p greater than value, x1, x2, x3. This is the predicted values for the by applying the MLR model on the data set. Okay. So this is the report we have generated using this by applying the MLR model. We are getting this R squared value, adjusted R squared value, and x1, x2, x3 values. Yeah, yes, this is a multiple regression model. First, we see this is the method we are follow the steps. First, we need to read the Excel and define the dependent variables x and y. And if there is any text in the columns, we need to encode and then we need to apply the text and train data and apply the MLR model and predict the data and get the R square value and we need to apply the stat models add by adding the column and convert the float value. If dataset is containing the float variables, float members, we will convert into float members and then report the generate the report. So these are the steps we need to follow by applying the MLR model. So please know if any questions and by commenting and sharing the comments in this video. And please subscribe to my channel to get more videos on data scientist. Um, yeah, thank you, friends.